So the Honda E is keeping up well in the snow at the moment. Couple of turns I took a little bit of a slide, but it corrects itself very quickly. So I'm going up a hill here, and snowy hill, but it's handling okay. It's climbing this hill okay. Don't know what it's gonna do when I'm on a decline, but let's see what's gonna happen, because there's a decline taking the left here. Skid a bit there. I don't know if you heard that, but there was a skid there when I was trying to pull away there. Driving in the snow. Okay, so here we're going down. I'm gonna switch on my one-step mode and let that ride me down this hill, and no problems, no sliding at all. This is Glasgow Sauchiehall Street, or otherwise known as Party Street. So I mean, even though the salt is laid down, obviously it's not really conducive, or it doesn't really do anything when when there's a snowstorm. Salt really does nothing. So I don't know if you love football or anything, but there's like a football match on tomorrow. So it's Rangers, Glasgow Rangers versus Borussia Dortmund, and saw some fights happening down in the main streets. Some Rangers fans and Dortmund fans having a tiff there. But yeah, as you can see, the Honda E is handling this snow really well. I love this. I'm loving this. I should have had my good camera with me right now, because this is what I've been waiting for the whole year, really. My favorite time of the year is when it snows. Yeah. Slushy right now. So on my way here to collect this order, I was on the freeway and everybody was going 30 miles an hour on the freeway. I saw a couple of big trucks, and they just pulled over on the side of the road, because obviously for trucks it's a big hazard. Let's see if the freeway has gone slushy already. Looks like it. But the salt spreader's out. The one thing about this car though, the fog does tend to creep up on you really quickly on your windscreen, and obviously you'll have to switch on your heater, and that uses a lot of battery life. So I tend not to use my heater on my window. Obviously I need my car for doing delivery, so I need all the miles I can get. So what I normally do is I just open the windows and let the air clear the window instead of using my heater. Yeah, it looks like the freeway cleared up a little bit, so that's cool. But I mean, no problems really. I didn't here and there when I took a turn, it was skidding a little, but you can feel it's correcting itself immediately, you know. I can still feel here in this area it's still a little bit dodgy. You know, the steering wheel is a little bit light. So I'm going about 35 right now. This is part of the Kingston Bridge, going over the Clyde River in Glasgow. Just take it easy around this bend here. Take it down to like 30 or 25. Horrid! This is amazing! This is amazing. Amaze balls. So I was about to go to the charger actually, just to charge my car up a little bit. It's at 53 miles now and 50% battery life. So I was gonna go charge up because work was getting slow. I thought that nobody was gonna start delivering anymore, so now it's actually built back up. Obviously people want food now during the snow. So let me get back to you.